We're just looking at his glasses in. Is that because
I've forgotten my glasses, and the only ones I've got in my bag are prescription sunglasses.
You can't wear
and there's no sun.
You're not going to wear sunglasses bowling. People think you're like she's like one of them.
They'll say, yeah, I'm this special person that you brought out.
Yeah,
with,
you'll have your own ball
stick
and a glove.
What, with a bell in it?
Yeah, no. When you go in, they'll think you're a professional temping bowler.
No, I thought you'd think that I was blind.
Yeah, well.
And that I've parked my Labrador outside.
Pretend that. So anyway, hello everybody. We're just doing. Hello, Helen.
Hello, James.
I've missed her because she's been on holiday for a week, and
with my children, which was already booked before the Benidorm was booked.
So when we got back from Benidorm, she literally went to, where have you been? Cyprus the next day.
Yeah.
We're not jet setter out. It's just that holiday we're booked.
It just happened to fall like that.
So yeah.
And I've just got back. Straight back to work, hit the ground running.
Yeah, and I just wanted to do a quick update. It's nothing particular, this video. A couple of things I wanted to talk about. Hello to all the new subscribers, because them Benidorm videos, we've got quite a big lot of subscribers, so A up to everybody, and thanks for subscribing. A few people on last video I put up, I need to say this now. On last video I put up, I've had a few people like, where's Helen? And yeah, it's not James and Helen's channel, it's my channel, but Helen's,
I make a guest appearance.
So it started off with me doing me. I mean, I want her on every one, don't get me wrong, because she's star at show.
I'm not.
But, well, you are. She's got a fan club.
Oh, bless them. Love you all.
So she'll be going to be getting an agent next, and what do they have? Publicist and a manager.
Yeah.
They've been negotiating better terms.
Oh, you won't be talking to me anymore.
Yeah,
I'll say, talk to my agent.
We'll be like Phil and Holly.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm not saying I'm like bloody Philip Schofield.
Do you know, like, when the camera's on, we're talking to each other, but when the camera's off, I'm going to my dressing room. Like, I'm not even going to speak to you.
That's the wrong analogy to use.
Oh, converse. Oh, yeah, because then that would mean that you were doing
scrap that
stuff.
bit. Anyway. No filters. No, I'll leave it in, it don't matter. What would
it be? Who's fallen out in showbiz?
Oh,
Cannon and Ball.
Cannon and Chuffing Ball. He died. Bobby Ball died, didn't he?
Chuckle
Brothers. They both. One of them's died.
Oh, gosh. Oh, flipping heck. We better not say all that stuff. I don't want you to die.
Well, neither do I. I'm not planning on dying.
I'm not laughing.
What? Well, I wanted to do this update because there's not been as many videos out recently, and I need to be completely honest and tell you why that is. And it's because I've been having a load of crap in my personal life. And I went off and I filmed lots. I went to that, where did I go? Virginia Waters, and I did a video there. I did a video in Windsor, Southend-on-Sea and Clacton-on-Sea. I made all these videos, and when I got back and started editing them, they're crap. They're a bit, because
they're not crap, but you're miserable.
You know when you're off.
And do you know what? A few people picked up on that.
A few people picked up on the Virginia Waters. Yeah.
That's because you were miserable.
Well, yeah, but I mean, I am quite grumpy, and everyone keeps saying I'm like Carl Pilkington.
Well, you're not really that
I'm happy grumpy.
You're sort of like playing it a bit.
I do play it.
But you were upset, weren't you?
Yeah. When you get
it comes across.
Yeah. When you get to be a man of a certain age, you quite enjoy being grumpy.
Do you?
When you do, it's good. So that's me. I'm not really grumpy, but then the last week or so, I have been really grumpy because I'm having crap. I've done a video at PINT past. It's about my son and my ex and stuff like that. And I don't want to go into detail about it, but it's a really, really tough thing what I'm going through. And I know loads of people are going through the same, so it's not. I'm not feeling sorry for myself.
A lot of people are going through a lot worse.
A lot of people, a lot worse.
Yeah.
I completely appreciate that. But the thing is, and then you want to do, you're trying to do YouTube videos and be like laughing and joking.
Jokey and laughing.
And you've got this thing at the back of your head, and you just can't. You can't do it. So it's been quite tough, but Helen's back now, and that cheers me up no end. So she said, let's go bowling. Well, let's go and have, we're just going to go and have a laugh. And I'm always like, we need to do a video. And we're like,
we're going to have a laugh, but I'm going to really try and beat him.
You're going to beat me. So it's going to make me more miserable, this, because I'm crap at bowling.
Why don't we have a bet?
I'm not betting.
What we're betting?
All right, the loser buys tea.
I've paid for it bowling.
All right. The loser. Well, I'll take a drink for a drink after. So this is not a proper video. It's just us, because I want to film it and put stuff up, because we want to be real and tell everybody what's going on, don't we, with stuff. And so going forwards, we're very excited about what's going to be happening with this channel, because I'm more or less full-time now, full-time YouTube. So we've got to really up his game with videos. Benny Dome videos went down really well, but the ideas that we've got are fantastic. And we've been in touch. Since the subscribers have gone up a load and we're getting all these views, you get people emailing you all the time, like companies and that, offering you stuff, wanting to sponsor you and offering you money, and it's amazing. Now, the majority of it, I think now I'm not interested, because they're just dodgy products and stuff like that, so we're not bothered. But there's some, I don't want to go into too much detail, but there's a couple of like really good companies that are, you know, trustworthy and everything like that, and we're setting something up whereby, you know, we can do some awesome videos, really.
Wow.
I can't go into detail.
We've been given some amazing opportunities.
Yeah, and I got genius because, well, not genius, that's a bit bloody obnoxious, isn't it? I'm a genius, don't you know?
Calm yourself, mate.
Calm your jets.
Calm down, love.
What is it? Chill your jets, calm your jets, whatever it is.
Yeah,
anyway, we've had some good ideas for videos, and because of third parties, that's making it sort of possible. So I'm so excited about that.
Yes, but what you've got to think is that we just need to go out and enjoy yourselves.
And that's what we're going to do. So we're also going to do it like as old school, because when I watch his old videos, we weren't taking it serious then.
I don't think we
just
should
had
take...
well, we're not going to.
Do you know what? You need to keep your feet on the ground.
Yeah. It's because I've had
to have a little chat with you.
She has, because it's like more or less my only income now. I've done a video about my business and about how crap that is, and I've just about wound it up, that business now. So YouTube's, it's quite a pressure, isn't it?
Do you know what though? When it gets like that, it doesn't become, it's not enjoyable,
if his videos go downhill, I'll just get a job.
What would you do?
Male escort.
I was going to say OnlyFans, what is it?
So
Barnsley bloke.
If I set up the OnlyFans page, you realise that the YouTube is not doing so well. It's a bit different, I know, and I'm very fortunate to be able to do that, because at the end of the day I live in my van. You know, I ain't got a mortgage to pay, so, you know, there is that, but I've still got, you know, my daughter to provide for and sort of other expenses. Anyway, what else do we need to talk about? So, you're going to cheer me up, you're going to play me at bowl. I hate bowling. I don't know why I've agreed to do it. I don't hate it, but
is it 'cause you're
what
not
I do
good?
is I start off right, like serious, and then I realise, you know, just when I need to have barriers up me.
You don't. Well, they asked me, do you know when you put all your details in, it says, does this player need the bumpers up?
I bet you did. You should have said yeah.
I thought no.
So we're at the Centertainment. I've not got my camera on a bloody stick for that. We're at the Centertainment place in Sheffield. Look at her, she's off. That's what she's like when we're good at pub. She's really confident that she's going to beat me. I'm going to try my hardest. Genuinely, I'm really bad at bowling, but I'm really going to try hard. So, we'll see.
Pick your weapon.
Ball. Here we go.
Oh, that was okay.
I'm very happy with that.
again. I don't believe it. That's 2 strikes. 2 strikes in a row. Oh, you'll love it, don't you? I think there's been a bit of jiggery pokery going on here, I'll tell you.
Pressure's on. Do you know if I get another one, it means it's turkey.
Is it? What does that mean?
That I'm brilliant.
I'm just filming myself because I got a strike. I'm so happy. I think that's the first one I've ever got. See, she's going to pieces. The pressure's getting to it now. Isn't it? Pressure's getting to you. Because I know what's going on in your head. You have to win at all costs. So now, she genuinely is feeling pressure, trust me. Because I'm catching her up.
I'm going to bring it back.
You know?
I am.
I'm going to get a second strike here because Helen's, I've got into her head. Mind you.
Oh, wow. Look at that. That was good.
So, what you do, guys, is you always let them win the first game. You know, lure them into a false sense of security. But I think you started going to pieces towards the end of that game, and I'm just getting him in stride. So yeah,
we've got to do the game.
This is the game.
Is this
champion of champions? That will warm up. Let's go for it, Helen. Right, are you ready?
Where's your Pavarotti sweat rag?
I've not got the sweat rag. I think it's in the button. You've got to do that.
Right. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm cleaning up.
Oh God.
I'm cleaning you up.
See, this is it. This is Helen comedy. See?
Come on.
Hard cheese.
Hard cheese. You know what? Do you know when I won the first match, I didn't go off like you.
I'm just filming the final score for the viewers. So James there, 120. Helen. Oh, hard cheese, Helen.
Yeah, but what about the other game?
I don't count warm-up game, love. Right, come on, pull. Let's go, pull. So commiserations, Helen.
What do you mean commiserations? I don't understand.
She's got great money.
Right, you won one game and I won another.
You know,
but who got the highest score?
Everybody thinks Helen's is like perfect, wonderful.
It was 135 and that was me.
Now you're getting to see the dark side of Helen when she gets beat at 10-pin bowling.
Yeah, but I beat you the first game.
Don't count.
It does count.
Don't count.
What do you mean it doesn't count?
Because that's the warm-up game.
I wish we'd established that before we started.
Okay, we'll call it a draw. 1-1.
No way.
Well, it is a draw.
No, no, it isn't.
It's a draw. It's 1-1.
Who got the highest score?
I don't know what the scores
was me.
Well, we'll look back on the camera.
Right, 135 I got.
Yeah,
your
but
highest score was 120.
If you're going to do that, you've got to add both scores together because you've got a really low score the second game. So it's not who got the highest score.
Well, add them up then.
We can add them together. That's what we'll do. God, I've never known out like it, honest to God. Yeah, come and check this pub out. It's brilliant. I love it. Cheap booze. They have music on a lot. Nice people. Watch that, I'll probably get beat up.
What day did we go last time? When they had like music.
Had folk singers on.
They had like music slam night or whatever it was.
Oh.
Black and pickle.
Oh.
What's that?
I think that's in the back of an empty cafe.
So I've got to put that. It's got to start at that angle, has it?
Yeah.
And try and get it in a hole.
Shouldn't it be getting the ready? What if the white was in?
So we'll let Helen win that one, just for the sake of it. Yeah, it'd be good for that.
Gio
it, bam.
right? You were flaming. There was sweat on your forehead.
Sweat. So
you were perspiring.
Well,
mate.
we probably got the rules wrong, but the chap behind the bar was helping us a lot there. So thank you for your help.
Who won?
Me.
Well, I got it, but it just...
You got it in,
I clipped
the black mushroom down at the same time. I like this game.
I know, we'll come next week or whatever and we'll have another...
A grudge
match. We'll read the rules properly and make sure we're doing it right.
Yeah.
Because she's taking pictures, I think.
Sorry, I didn't recognise that last item.
It's not a vanity mirror.
It's not very flattering.
Is that my card, Bob? Have you done?
Yeah, thank you.
So we've just come to Asda, only for a bottle, look. Just one bottle of wine. We're not alcoholics, and it's Diet Cola. So we're heading back to Helen's now. Ice, baby. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you again in the next few days, hopefully back to normal.
Back to normal.
Back to normal. Siddy from Tasda.